beautiful, delicious, amazing looking things. Can't wait to get into them. So this little mukbang review thing is based on what me and mum saw on Instagram. So one of the subscribers, Phylz Lilz, posted this on her Instagram and we thought we'd try it out. And so far my mouth is drooling, guys, so let's get into it. So it's just got avocado, cherry tomatoes, cream cheese, mushroom, egg, onions, and yeah, I got some coffee here to drink with it. Okay, first let's do a prayer, guys. Yes. Oh, mate. Who doesn't fall off? Look at that. No. Everything that's on here I like. I really love. Every time I do eggs, I can't do it without the middle being runny. I find it weird. It's like once you go runny, you can't go back. That sounds messed up, but the egg is dominant with this, like, in flavor. Let me try with the tomato a bit more. No. I'm gonna add a bit of salt for the avocado. Onion to make everything taste like so good. Just adds so much flavor. If you don't like onions, you guys are crazy. Guys, you have to try this. So good. I can't really taste the tomatoes too much. Actually, now I taste the tomatoes. You can just taste the juice, like bringing it all together. Like, it's like having juice and a meal together. You don't even have to drink. Great combo, guys. So plans for today, after this mukbang review, me and my family are going to be going to Charlie's Kitchen, which is when I did my first ever video of Charlie's Kitchen, right here with pies, of pies and chicken nibbles. That's where we're going again, and I'm gonna be doing a review of it, like a proper review of what I think of it and stuff. But really, I just can't wait to eat the pies, eh? Yeah, I've been dying for pies and chicken nibbles this whole week, but you have to travel for good stuff, you know what I mean? If you're one of those people that eat with a fork and knife with the stuff, I don't know how you do it. I feel like you can't get as much flavor in it. You know what I mean? Then when you have it in your hand, it's like eating it with love, you know what I mean? Is that us, Phyllis? Are we gonna open up a restaurant? I'll do my amazing stir fries and I'll do these for breakfast. Oh mate, you are amazing. I'm low-key trying to save room in my stomach for the pies. It's always better fresh, eh guys? This is good for everyday breakfast. It's not too fatty, it's just right, like it's nice, looks healthy. Very like, instead of having heavy food for breakfast all the time. It's good to have leftovers, but if you got a bit of money to spare, this is good. It's food like this that makes you want to go for like a 10k run. I feel like I've lost like 10 kgs eating this. It's just my family in the background. Mum saw this YouTube video, eh? And she followed the steps of how to make panipopos.
Veni Vlogs.
Veni Vlogs. So shout out to Veni Vlogs. I have the link down the bottom in the description box. Yeah, thanks to you, my mum made the best panipopos I've ever had. I thought they were scones, but Jags. They're panipopos, man, panipopos. They're so bomb. Ow! When mum told me she was making panipopos, like, you didn't know how much I was craving it that day. So as you do the first batch is like, you know, every time I bake I always like mess it up or mess it up. And mom did like 2 batches. It wasn't bad. The second one I wish I ate fresh, but because I ate most of the first batch and we had dinner, I didn't have room in my stomach for the second one, so the second one I just took it to work.
Threw it in the rubbish.
Yeah, just fed it to the dogs. Jake. Alright, I ate it in the morning, guys. As soon as I got to work, it was my lunch. Yeah, and I was starving like the rest of the day. Oh, cool. Hey guys, this is too good. Anyway, how's your guys' week, guys? It's been cold this whole week. The warmest it's been is what? The last 3 days? Today's Saturday. And I'll be putting this video up today. So, yeah. It's been cold lately. Today's still a bit cold, but it's not like too bad. So guys, over the next few weeks or months, we're gonna be changing up my intro. I'll be changing up my intro. I thought I'd save my intro on my hard drive before my laptop got taken in to fix, but I didn't. So at the moment I'm living off screen records of my intro from other videos. So it explains why it might be very blurry with the next few videos I'll be doing. So I'll be doing a new intro. My YouTube channel is gonna have like a bit of a facelift. Yeah, I think my editing is just gonna be like better than before, especially now that we have a new camera. It's so much easier, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna get a facelift, guys. Stay tuned for that. So guys, out of 10 I give this a 20. Okay, it was not bad, it was really good, it was quite excellent. Thank you Phylz Lilz for posting it on your Instagram. This video is a dedication to you guys, you and Precious, Nilaina and all that. But oh my goodness, my stomach is full. I won't be able to eat no pies no more, but I'm gonna make it, guys. I truly did enjoy it. Thank you to all my new subscribers that have subscribed over the past week. Basically, I've gained like so much subscribers. Last time, yeah, past month, basically we've gained a lot of subscribers, and thank you guys. But yeah, thank you to Tinania family, to Favorites, Koko Ngati for shouting me out on their channels. Me and Mum are so happy to see Koko Ngati back online. So good to see you guys. Just waiting to see Jello Guy and Mukbang with Lassie. Haven't seen you guys in a while. Hopefully you guys come back soon with your awesome ass mukbangs that make me drool late at night, but it's whatever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Go try it out. It's mushrooms, eggs, avocado, onions, cherry tomatoes, and toast with good butter, like butter, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Oh, also don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, please family. Almost forgot.
We love your comments.
Yeah, we do love you guys' comments. But yeah, bye guys, see you in the Charlie's Kitchen vlog, food thing.